Welcome, Paul. Thank you for your time this morning. I'm looking forward to your speech, The Relevance Advantage, how great speakers make every audience feel seen, on the 1st of May at our APSS Convention 2026. I've got a thought in mind right now. Do our stories, and we have lots of them, when does it not work with an audience?
Beautiful question, Nadam. And thank you so much for this opportunity. And I'm so looking forward to being in Singapore on May 1st and 2nd. So when do the stories not work? Easy answer on that is when we serve our ego first and we're not serving the audience. Speaker, we should be loving that audience. We should be understanding that audience. We should be making sure that audience feels seen and feels heard. But many times, as speakers, we can get up there and all of a sudden we have a story that we're going to tell. We've got a story that's so dramatic. We have a story that's so emotional. We have a story that is so mind-blowing that we're going to say it no matter what. But guess what? Sometimes that story we have doesn't align with what the audience needs, what the audience needs to hear, what the audience needs to understand. But the speaker is serving themselves first. It's not that the story is not good, but it's not that the story is not relevant. And what we're going to be talking about is how do you make your stories relevant for the audience that's right in front of you?
Right, that's amazing. And I'm looking forward to learning more about that from you. 1st of May, APSS 2026 Convention. Just click on the link somewhere around this screen and we'll see you there. Thanks, Paul.
Great. Thank you.